Here's another product that I recently purchased, once again from Amazon, because it's easier to buy things from Amazon. It comes on time, and if you buy it directly from Amazon shop, it's nice. You can track it, and it tells you when it's going to arrive. So it's brilliant. So far, I've been quite lucky with stuff, and I mean, this is another purchase that I made recently. I've been meaning to get a scale that connects to your phone, and does lots of things. And this is one that I've chosen so far because the price was right. I bought it. It works as scale. I think fully connects to your phone as well, but I'll show you all that shortly. Now, this is made by Healthkeep Smart Body Fat Scale. So this is what you've got. And I'll just do unboxing first before I demonstrate how it operates. Now, also, there's an app that you can use for this, and it's for Apple as well as the Google Android, if you're interested in that. It's got a smart cloud. Yep, family share, and you can be used for iOS and Android. Alright, so on the back of it, I'll show you the box. It gives you a rough idea of how it can be used. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I'll show you it. Only reason I bought this, as I said to you, I think I got it for half price on what it's worth. Not everybody can get it for that price. If you can't, I'm sorry, but very well packaged. There's some fitness scale, how to use. Okay, that's good. That's the app. So I'm assuming it goes into an app. I don't think it connects to your app that you may already have on your phone. I think it's an app that you've got to download yourself and use it on here. Yep, that's what it is. And it just keeps a track of your BMI and stuff, so we'll leave that for a second. And it comes with your normal gumph, as I call it. But the product itself, this is what you want to know. I'll put this aside. First of all, it looks quite smart. It's made of glass on the top. Careful not to use it when it's slippery condition, so don't make it wet and slip over it. Showing you the back. So there's some legs on here which are plastic. This middle bit is glass. This is plastic. And to turn it on, when you first get it, as usual, you just literally take this out, I assume, and that's it. So this little piece here comes off. Cool. And just to show you, actually, if I take this battery bit out, what sort of battery does it take? Oh, AAA battery. It comes with one already inside, which is brilliant. Sometimes you get the scales got their heavy duty square block batteries, which cost a lot more. So what you've got here. Why isn't it picking up? It's interesting. If I just done something wrong. There you go. Okay, so it's zeroing out, so zeroed out. How do you connect it to your phone is the next bit, and I'll demonstrate that to you a bit later. But till then, just to show you the quality, it is glass, so do not drop it. You will probably end up smashing it all over. That always worries me. But it looks well built. I mean, I do like this little metal piece. I don't know what the use for that metal piece is. I was hoping they picked up some sort of sensory part, but I doubt that is the case. I think it's more of a showpiece, because I can't see anything sort of connecting to it through the glass even. No, I think it's just for decoration. So there you go. It just looks nice as it is. It's got the Bluetooth connectivity, I can see that. So that's what it looks like when you... Okay, so there you go. The unboxing is done, and I'll demonstrate to you how you connect this up to your phone and see how well it works. So after you made the registration, it goes through some process of who you are, and your personal detail goes on there. So I can't really comment on the fact of how they're using this data. I won't go into that, but if you're interested, you can look into their system and the app, who made it and so forth. But I'm just going to put some details on there and see how that goes. So just to let you know, I'm just putting some details of myself on there, and it does say personal information is only processed as health data. Fit Day will keep your information confidential. Okay, fair enough. I'm confirming that. The problem with having different devices is that you've got to have different apps for different things. That's the only downside to this particular weighing machine. Only allowing using the apps. Confirm. Start measuring. Oh, it's connected. Wow. Okay, that was quick. I literally just, I didn't have to pair it. That's what I'm surprised about. That's, you know, unheard of. Usually you have to pair everything. So in this case, I didn't have to pair it at all. It literally just came on straight away. So I'm going to do a first test. So just to show you, it's a normal standard process. So the zero, that was quick, usually takes a while. So now that I'm weighing myself, so 65.2, and straight away, I don't know if you heard that little buzzing noise on the phone. It's come up straight away 65.2, and I'm assuming that will just automatically record it on there, and as the app showing it, it does it very well. So that's really cool. I really love the fact that I didn't have to pair it, it just did it by itself. But I'm just wondering, can I delete that last record? I'm just trying to have a quick look on the data thing, more data. Wait, so let's try once more. And this time I'll show you exactly what it does. Okay, so I literally do this, goes to 0. I'll show you on here if you can see it, it's changing by itself. There you go. 63.4. So why did I do it differently? Because I had my phone in my hand. So let's look at the chart. So the app itself got a few features, but I'm not really reviewing the app. I mean, all some people want to know is just keep a record of the weight. As soon as they get on the weight, it should record it straight away. And that's how it sort of operates. Another thing I was going to say is, if I have the same app on another phone, let's say for my wife, would it work differently? I'll put it registered under, her name, and when she gets on it, would it know who it is? If there's different people in the household trying to use the same weighing scale. And according to this, you can do that, but I haven't figured that out yet. Right, as I was saying before, in addition to what I was saying earlier, I just want to add this point as well, how you can use this device for multiple people, and they find a really nice way. You log in as a primary user on the app, and you've got option of adding more people. Now you can log in onto a different device with the same primary user and you'll have access to it. So for example, if I was to do a weight on there now, I can choose on the phone who I want to select. So I'll select myself in this case, do the weighing, and it should, look, it's changing on here straight away. It's changing on here straight away. I don't know if you can see it. So if I move this, more it does. So I've chosen myself on there. But if I was to choose somebody else on my account, I can do guest as well, which is an option. So the app is quite versatile, and I really like the fact that it does that. And I was a bit doubtful to see how many people can actually use this. So it looks like you can add a lot more users onto this to get the weights and check in regular ways if you need to. So the thumbs up on the system. It just, I was hoping it did, if you worked with my other health apps that I have got, which would be nice. Now I've got 4 different health app on my phone just to make it work and do different things. Unless you pay a lot more money, then you can probably get them all into one, like Samsung app or Fitbit or whatever you want. So there you go. Thank you for watching again, and take care, and hopefully this was helpful to you to show you how it operates. Thank you. Bye-bye.